He chose wordplay. Illinois chose consequences.
This is Max Headroom. And what you're about to witness is one of the most sinister-sounding intros to a trailer to one of the greatest epics ever produced in the history of television. And there's more, because you are going to see it as well.
Now, quick favor before we jump in, like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. It helps the algorithm, costs you nothing, and prevents YouTube from deciding what you like on your behalf. And welcome to Facts or Frauds. We're in Illinois watching Cook County Sheriff's Department Bodycam for another right-to-travel stop on a sovereign citizen who claims he's a private man, not a sovereign citizen or a Moor. If that matters anything, let's watch.
Alright, you have fraudulent plates. It's a class 2 felony to have fraudulent registration in the state of Illinois. Would you like,
What's
you want
your
me,
name?
Matos, you want me to get the
Matos,
IBC, you want me to get the code? Start 391.
Start 391?
Yeah, can I get your ID, please?
Okay. What's your emergency?
I need your ID.
I'm asking you a question. What's your emergency?
Step out of the car.
Huh?
Step out of the car.
I'm not stepping out of the car.
Oh yeah, you are. Come on.
I'm not stepping out the
Well,
car.
I gotta take the window?
You're not gonna take my window.
Come on, step out of the car.
Listen. Why won't you step out?
Yeah, why won't you step out of the car?
I don't.
You do.
What law?
Pennsylvania Mimms. You gotta get out of the car whenever we ask.
What law shows that
Man, there's case law. Listen, I'm going to tell you right now. There's case law about this. There's case law. You are going to get out of the car.
Listen,
Yeah,
You're either going to come with us, either step out of the car, or we're going to get you out of the car.
You need my ID?
Yeah, I need your ID. Let's just start with an ID. Let's just work with an ID.
Hey, because I don't have to get
No,
out.
yes, you do.
You do.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do.
It's
And you will lose each and every time.
It's
We just told Pennsylvania versus Mimms. You have to
Yeah,
step out.
it's
The moment I
Supreme
tell you
Court
have to step
case
out,
law.
You got to come out.
Sovereign lesson of the day, read Pennsylvania versus Mimms. 1977 court case says officers can tell you to step out of the car without your feelings being consulted.
Nah, I mean, we know what they're doing. You know we're sheriffs, right?
Yeah.
Are you a Moor or are you a sovereign citizen?
I'm not neither.
So what are you?
I'm a private man.
So you are a sovereign citizen.
I'm not a sovereign.
Do you have a driver's license?
No, that's what I have.
Have you ever had a driver's license?
No, I don't have a driver's license.
So in the state of Illinois, you are required to produce a driver's license. You know that, right? Required.
Run it.
I'm gonna run it. I'll be back.
Man.
You've been arrested for this before. You didn't learn your lesson?
I ain't been arrested for this.
Yeah, you have.
Okay.
I got your whole background. You've been arrested for this before. Step out of the car.
For what?
Well, I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna arrest you. Maybe I'm not. Just step out of the car so we can talk.
For what reason do I have to
Because I'm
step
asking
out
you
of
to
my
step.
vehicle?
So you're driving a vehicle with no license, right?
I'm a private man.
That doesn't matter.
I don't have to have a license.
You do though. You actually do.
What is that in your hand?
This is a passport card.
Okay. Did you run it?
Yeah,
You scanned it?
I scanned it. So you can leave the country. You can't drive out a car.
Oh, okay.
So come on out.
For what reason?
Because I'm asking you to come on out.
I don't.
Do I gotta get you out? I would prefer not. I can care less.
You ain't gonna get me out.
Yeah, open the door. Come on. How do I open this? How do I open this? Come on, it's raining out here. Let's get things going.
That's what I'm saying. So what's the problem? Like,
You gotta come out of the car is what the problem is.
for what reason do I have to come out?
Watch your back.
Once again, Pennsylvania versus Mimms, Supreme Court ruling. This is not optional, it's a rule.
What's the reason and the probable cause of me getting out of my
Well,
vehicle?
you don't have a valid license to drive the car.
Oh.
So if I want to tow the car, you can't be in it. How does that work out?
What reason would you have to tow the car?
Because you don't have any registration on the car, which is required in the state of Illinois.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to explain the little bit that I'm understanding right now.
Okay.
All right, driving privilege in the state of Illinois. Everybody else, understand you're a private man. Driving privileges, you don't have any driving privileges in this state, and as far as that, we can find no other state. My partner's asked me to step out because both of those, the no driving without a license, is a misdemeanor offense. That is an arrestable offense. He's asking you to step out. You refuse to step out. That's also another arrestable offense. That's obstruction. So listen.
You complain about it raining, right?
I'm not complaining about it raining.
I'm going to say I am because now I'm soaking wet.
Right.
Now I'm soaking wet.
Why would you want me to get out in the rain like that?
Why would I want you to get out?
Why would you want me to
Well,
step out my private domain?
at this point, it is
Now
no
I'm
longer.
stepping into your jurisdiction.
Well, you're you're in the jurisdiction already. But this is what we're gonna do. Are you willingly gonna step out after we're telling you to step out? Because you are gonna be placed under arrest for obstruction.
How is that?
Because we asked you to step out, you are refusing to step
There's
out.
no law stating that.
Okay, and you can
Show me laws. Y'all keep talking about codes
I tried. No, a statute is a law. A statute is a law.
That's not a law.
I tried to explain it to you, but you do not want to.
And right there, our private man is no longer traveling. He's being transported to jail, actually, courtesy of whoever convinced him this nonsense actually works.
Now come on out, please. Come on out. Come on out, my guy.
Let me get.
What? I'm sorry. Relax.
No, you ain't no relax.
Come on.
Nothing, man.
Come on, bro.
What? Come on.
Let me get another cuff.
I got it. Y'all just did the wrong thing.
No, we have.
Y'all just did the wrong thing.
I've done this before.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. No, I've been through this before.
Okay. And what was your result?
Guilty?
You?
Yeah, I got guilty plea out of it.
Oh, okay.
You can't fix stupid.
And just a reminder, hit like, subscribe, comment, do those YouTube things. It feeds the algorithm so it doesn't get confused and send people to looking for cat videos. And a huge thank you to all of our Facts or Frauds channel members. Your support allows this channel to stay focused on the facts and not the outrage, and I appreciate you all. The right to travel doesn't exempt anyone from traffic laws, and Pennsylvania versus Mimms already settled the step out of the car argument. No amount of wordplay beats Supreme Court precedent. Reality wins every time. Until next time, I'll see you soon.